Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the AI tools that make production fast, a script generator for structure, and a natural TTS voice for narration. Once chosen, collect 8 to 12 concise, verified space facts. This prevents drift later and keeps your video focused. Make sure to gather or generate visuals in 16:9 ratio so they fit standard players. While you set these, create a folder structure for scripts, audio, and assets. Doing this now saves hours during editing. Next, draft a tight 60 to 90-second script with a quick hook, 3 compelling facts, and a short closing call to action. This arc keeps viewers engaged. Once done, run the text through your TTS, adjusting pauses and emphasis so the narration sounds natural. Export a high-quality WAV for editing. Then map each sentence to a visual. Use timestamps or a storyboard to align clips and captions. Make sure transitions match the narration rhythm to maintain flow. Finally, assemble audio, visuals, and captions in your editor, tightening cuts so the video breathes but stays punchy. Aim for 30 to 60 seconds of effective pacing. Export at 1080p and H. 264 for compatibility, and verify audio levels and caption accuracy before uploading. If something goes wrong, here's a key troubleshooting tip. If narration drifts from visuals, retime the clips against the WAV or re-render the TTS with
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.